To always turn off super steady feature when you close the camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that the super steady setting is not set to be kept. To do so, open Camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under General section, tap Settings to keep, and then tap the blue on-off switch next to Super Steady until the switch screen to turn it off. To see how it works, tap the packet twice. Change the camera mode to the video mode. Tap the Super Steady icon until it turns yellow to turn it on. Now record a video. Close the camera and then reopen the camera. Change the camera mode to the video mode. As you can see, the super steady feature will always be turned off after you close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.